Creating an Amazon FBA account is essential for selling products on Amazon's platform and utilizing their fulfillment services. Here's a concise guide. Sign up. Visit the Amazon Seller Central website and click Sign Up. Choose account type. Select the type of Amazon seller account you want to create. Options include individual and professional accounts. Professional accounts are best for businesses. Provide information. Fill out the requested information, including your legal business name, address, contact details, and tax information. Set up payments. Add your bank account information for Amazon to deposit your earnings. You may need a credit card for verification. Complete tax interview. Answer questions about your business structure and tax obligations. Amazon will guide you through this process. Verify your identity. Amazon may require additional verification, such as providing personal identification or business documents. List your products. Add your products to Amazon's catalog. You can do this manually or use tools like Amazon's bulk listing templates or third-party software. Choose fulfillment method. Opt for FBA as your fulfillment method if you want Amazon to store, pack, and ship your products for you. Otherwise, select FBM if you prefer handling shipping by yourself. Set pricing and shipping. Determine your product pricing and shipping rates. Consider Amazon's referral fees and fulfillment fees. Launch your listings. Once your listings are live, start promoting and managing your products on Amazon. Monitor and optimize. Regularly review your sales, customer feedback, and inventory levels. Adjust your strategies to improve your sales and customer satisfaction.